2, 3, start. Yeah. Now group name. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, now they are going to sing their song, group song. This is going to be the competition. Sister, look, okay? This is going to be the competition. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Okay. We give them a good clap, good clap. You must sit. It should be. Now, which group is ready for the next? There. Okay. What's your name? Group name? No. Choose the group name. Okay, stand around. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. You are ready? So your time. What is your group name? Choose that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, start. They are going to sing their song. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, give them a good clap. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Stand up. Okay, stand in the round, follow the round. You are going to say your group name first, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Group name. No, translate it. Group name first. Okay, first. Okay, second only you should sing song. Okay, group name. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Hey, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, very good. Now you are going to sing. Okay, sing. Ready? 1, translate. Sing. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. One more. With the punch. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Once more. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, give them a good clap. Sister is group. You sit. Jubdi. Sister is there. Of group. Group. You say this group.
Kalvari.
Go Gulba. Congratulations. And for other groups, get to 500 each. See? Don't look at the scoreboard. This is only a beginning. You have the strength to beat them, huh? Yes? Yes, now. You can beat them easily. Who are they?